Welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today it is day 3 in Guhagar and has properly started to rain. So most of the places we have already covered in yesterday and day before yesterday. I hope you must have seen both the parts, part 1 and part 2. And today we would be going ahead and exploring some nearby beaches and one temple as well. So today it is actually raining. Yesterday and day before yesterday it was just slightly drizzling, but now it really feels like Konkan. If you can see this part, the entire green area, which is the garden area, it is completely covered in rain and water. So let's have the video. Hey guys, so now we have reached the destination number 1, which is the Velneshwar Temple, and this is the beautiful temple. So let's go. Hey guys, so we have reached the destination number 1, which is the Velneshwar beach, which is right next to the Velneshwar Temple, and it is so much clear, it is so much windy, and there's a very good speciality about this beach that the sand is kind of a mixture of white and black. So this is the first beach which we'll be visiting now, and from here we'll be going on for the rest of the beaches. So let's go. Hey guys, so now we have reached our destination number 2. As you've seen in the video, the road actually leaves you at the top, and we have to walk all the way down towards the beach. So let's go.
She's right there, I can't deny the beauty before my eyes. I can't help but fall in line, 'cause there's truth in her lies. Once again, I've lost my way, chasing cars and wasting days. Am I here to pass your time? 'Cause all I see are blurred lines. Am I just chasing dreams? 'Cause it's not what it seems. Have I read between the lines, those blurred lines, those blurred...
Hey guys, so now we are at the third spot for the day. We were supposed to stop at the Palshet beach, but we decided to skip that because it was raining very heavily. And going at the beach when it is raining heavily, it is really kind of risky. So we avoided that, and we have reached now at this Ram Mandir, which was kind of on the way where we were heading back to our hotel. So let's go.
Is this real or am I chasing dreams? Is this real or am I chasing dreams? Chasing dreams. Is this real or am I chasing dreams? I must be.
So that was one amazing surmai fry which I had as a meal, because I can either call it as lunch or dinner, because we had that at 5 o'clock. And I think this is it for the entire Guhagar series. I had just planned this trip for a kind of a leisure. I never expected this to turn out to be so much more interesting. We traveled to so many places in the past 2 days. You can check out the yesterday's and day before yesterday's vlog in the comment section below. And I was thinking to go at a place where it is very much quiet, and we have planned this tour in the weekdays, so there's also nobody other than us in this entire property, and even all the beaches were entirely clean and entirely empty. Actually, there were not really tourists whom we've seen over here apart from us. And not just that, but this place that we are staying at, I'll be leaving the link in the description below. It is called as the Baug Guhagar. So the experience of staying into a backpacking hostel, or having some amazing seafood we got over here. If you're traveling to any place during this pandemic or during these days, if you are taking care of everything, if you are maintaining social distancing, or into this secluded property where literally there is nobody around, so I'm not wearing mask. So that is it for this video, guys. Do let me know what you think about the entire series in the comment section below. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, because I'll be planning a lot more trips in the coming few months, the best I could. And I'll be trying to make some more better vlogs, because I'm making kind of a checklist where the swimming inside a waterfall was one of the part of that longer checklist which I had which I did it yesterday. And again, it was a very good experience. So I think that is it for the entire series. Do let me know what you think about the overall vlog as well, and what kind of experience are you would be planning to do from your side if you are traveling to the nearby places as well. So avoid traveling to any of the places which are very much crowded. Avoid traveling during the weekends, because multiple people travel during the weekends, and I've seen a lot of photographs of Lonavala and Manali where it is just as crowded as Mumbai. So rather than traveling on weekends, you can plan your trip in such a way that there is nobody around, and it would be even safer for you to travel as well. So thank you so much for watching until here, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.